Hello everybody, we're coming to you today from Dalmeny Campground. Dalmeny is, it's only about 5 minutes from Narooma. Narooma's about 7 kilometres to the south of us here. Bateman's Bay, it's about a 50-minute drive north from here. Now it's not the most clearest of day, but there isn't much wind about today, so we'll get out and do this video while we can. We came here last week for one night, which was fantastic, and we had to keep going, head off down to Montague, but we've come back. We were staying here for 3 or 4 nights, but it just has been too fantastic, and we're going to take up the option of staying for 1 week and having staying for 6 nights and having 1 night for free. So that'll give us a week stay here. As I mentioned, this place is just too awesome, so it's very difficult to get away. $33 a night, power and water. It is pet friendly. Only downside to it, I would suggest, is that pretty much all the sites are not level. There's not too many that are too level, just some are more level than others, but as I say, most of them are sloping, so you will need to chock up. Closed line here, so you can see there is a laundry right in the middle there of the complex. That wall over there in the middle of the video, that is the dump point on the other side of it. You can see the ocean straight out there. The office is the other side here of the amenities block. There's an IGA straight across the road over to my left. Very easy to get to the shops, and the IGA has fuel there as well. Once again, extraordinary views that really do make this an amazing location. The men's loos here on this side, ladies on the other side. There's the office just here. Border collie down there, tied up to the tree. We have got Vodafone coverage here. I've got about 1 bar. It's a little bit slow working, but Vodafone coverage is here. But there's plenty of Telstra coverage. There's no problems there at all. Take you for a wander down through here. Okay, to the left, you can see there's a river here out to the left, but it's not connected to the ocean. There's a bridge over it, but quite a shallow river there. Out the front here, we come down and sit down here in these tables and chairs and look out over the water. We've tried some fishing, have heard of some fish being caught, have seen a couple, but nothing too exciting. And right here at the front, there's some spaces for tents and camping as well. Fire pits are provided. You can hire them. I think they're just $5 for a week, and you can buy firewood here. The camp hosts we have here at the moment are really, really cool. Cole and his wife, absolutely fantastic, so helpful. This is just a magic spot, and hence why we're finding it very difficult to leave. There it is, a look around Dalmeny Campground here in Dalmeny, just short of Narooma on the south coast, South New South Wales coast. Highly recommend it if you're down this way. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. Check them all out on our website, indefiniteleave.com.au.